Tomorrow will mark the 5th day of deliberations in the kidnapping plot trial of Governor Whitmer.
13 on your side's Joshua Vincent has been covering this trial from the very beginning. Joining us now live from downtown Grand Rapids. Josh, what's the latest?
Hey, Kirk, Juliet, moments ago the jury was dismissed, but before they were dismissed, they actually had a question for the judge. They wanted to see the pennies of evidence for tomorrow. So that tells us that, yeah, we're definitely going into day 5. And this trial has gained a lot of attention. Just take a look at this right here. This is what we're deeming media rows. You have media both locally and even across the entire state, including Detroit. And with so much attention centered around this case, some are wondering why wasn't the jury sequestered? So we spoke with former U.S. District Attorney Pat Miles about this topic, and he explained, granted, it would be hard to avoid media because of smartphones and such, but he also said there could be a few more reasons why Judge Yonker decided not to sequester this jury. Take a listen.
One, because it was expected to be a very long trial, which it was. It was 3 weeks of trial plus now deliberations. So to have people cooped up for a month where they really can't get out into the outside world is very, very inconveniencing to a jury. And so I think that may have been the main reason.
He also said other reasons could be the judge felt like his instructions were detailed enough and said the cost to sequester a jury for so long would be very expensive. So back to those pennies real quick. The jury wants to see those pennies that were taped around that firework that Barry Croft Jr. Allegedly did and exploded. They want to see that evidence to see, I guess, what type of harm those pennies could do. So they're going to be looking at that first thing tomorrow. So we're going to, stick around with that. Again, guys, as soon as this verdict comes through, stick with 13 on your side. We're going to bring you that live. Right now, we're live outside the Ford Federal Court building this evening. Joshua Vincent, 13 on your side.
Thank you, Joshua.